into the ground. For us, though, we're not really seeing a lot still on the ground, right? Although snowfall totals, we saw it over toward Elkton, about 2.8 inches of snow there. So still maybe along some of the sidewalks. It should begin to melt by the middle of the work week, and when temperatures go above average, folks, and we are talking, I would say, significantly above average. I'll show you that in just a bit. Right now, though, as you get ready for bed and you turn on that electric blanket, the Inner Harbor is 27 degrees. Good evening in Annapolis at 29, Chestertown 22 degrees for you. We are not the only cool ones. Have you called your relatives in Florida lately? Look at that. Currently in Tampa, it's 45 degrees. And do you know Daytona Beach? They're under a frost advisory where temperatures there are forecast to fall to 33. Further south in Vero Beach, just to the north of West Palm, they're under freeze warnings where they're going to see their temperatures fall into the upper 20s. So we're dealing with a chill right along the eastern coast, but it is not lasting long. We are all going to warm up for us. We have a storm system hanging down to our south. Our winds are going to be shifting as a result of it passing by. We'll notice them tomorrow coming in out of the northeast. So that's going to pull in a little bit more moisture. We'll end up seeing mostly cloudy skies, but temperatures, they jump up. We're going to go about 7 degrees warmer than where we were today. Now that is still slightly below average. It keeps us into the 30s for us. So I think if you are doing any sort of outside exercise, maybe you're a fast walker, right? You might need the gloves, maybe a little bit of fur on the gloves, faux fur obviously, to try to keep you a little extra warm for you. Then fast forward now and into Tuesday. We have high pressure that's still going to be in our general area, keeping our winds now coming in out of the east, allowing for seasonal temperatures. Although with the moisture in place, we're still going to call for, I'd say, the mix of sun and clouds, but we will be into the 40s. But that's not even the warm up I'm talking about. We actually climb on into the 50s as we head to the middle half of the work week. So we're going to get there. It's just going to take a few days. Starting you off at around 7 a.m., we're waking up in the teens, everybody. Parkton 18 degrees, Elkton, you're right around 16 degrees. Now when we take a look at your lunch, you want a nice soup, I'd say, maybe in your thermos for work, because you're going to need it to be warm. Essex only going for 28 degrees, Columbia only on into the upper 20s as well. Remember though, Tuesday we inch upward, right? No longer do we see teens on the map here when you head on out to work. We have the upper 20s. And then by the lunch hour, we're not talking about temperatures staying into the upper 20s. We have 30s on the map here. So we're starting to see that improvement, and it's just going to continue to get even warmer. So if you can hold off on getting your gas by Wednesday, it'll be a little bit more comfortable for you. Do you know that tomorrow is National Hot Chocolate Day? What a perfect day to make it National Hot Chocolate Day. Since temperatures are so cool, you need that nice warm drink. So by 9 a.m., 26 degrees, 11 a.m., you're looking at 31. By the time we're at 3 o'clock, you're now looking at 36 degrees, so below average. Nice to pick up those kiddos off the school bus with that nice warm thermos of hot chocolate, marshmallows, whipped cream, whatever they like, right? Tuesday, you can see going on up to 43. Here you go, Groundhog Day. Welcome to the 50s, and we stay that way through Friday. Although there is going to be a front that comes down that will produce about an inch of rain Thursday through Friday. Flooding is a concern for us. Mallory?